This video is the quick and fast version that will show you the features of FastCV App. I will be showing you my cross-platform 30 FPS full post estimation video player created with a pure Python GUI Kivy. If you would like to see the story, click on my other video, and thank you for your time. I've created some example exe and .app files in my release on GitHub. These features are pause and play, seek, drag and drop files on Windows and Mac respectively. I also have 4 examples ready to go, the most important one being media pipe. The other examples are background subtraction, canny edge, and sepia filter examples. Unfortunately, Har cascade filters are too slow for real-time CPU-only video play, but are included because they will work if CPUs in the future can run 6 Har cascade filter subprocesses at the same time. If you would like to run them for yourself, git clone, poetry update, poetry shell, python cd to the examples folder, and then python that example. I also created a py/pi package. There are also spec files for PyInstaller that I have left so you can inspect it if you're having trouble. To use the spec files, cd to the examples folder. The command I use is python-m pyinstaller win_mediapipe.spec --clean or python-m pyinstaller mac_mediapipe.spec --clean. That way I build everything from scratch without having to worry about compile issues. This will create a dist folder and your exe should be ready to go. That's a precise overview of current FastCV app features. If you'd like to see the story about how it was done, click on the other video. Here are my socials, and thank you for your time.